Hey everyone, it's Erin Floda here, and I am here to show you last month's patron rewards, which is going to be a giveaway for you all. The link for the giveaway is going to be down in the description, so please check that out. It is an international giveaway, so I'm going to be showing you the patron rewards and all of the new releases coming up on Friday, August 7th. So usually my husband does this, but he's a busy boy, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one. So again, everything comes with a little note, and I included this Happy Mail washi strip, which is from a Black-owned business, and that was part of that video. So I'm going to go ahead and link to that video in case you all are interested in seeing that washi tape and other items from Black-owned businesses. So the patron rewards this month, I'm really excited for. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything. So some of these things will be released for Friday's August release, and some of these things won't be. So just keep in mind all of that. Let me go ahead and grab a notebook here so that you can see the first item, which is a stencil. So keep in mind, this is the platinum tier giveaway. So you have to be part of the $20 tier to receive all of this. If you are the $5 tier, you get a monthly script sticker. And if you are a gold tier, then you get 2 mini sheets. So this month it is the script and the weather stickers. So those, the $5, the $10, and then all of this is for the $20. So the first thing we have is this stencil, which is a like waving film strip. So this is really great for doing movies to watch pages and things like that. And again, all of my stencils are washable and flexible, and they're made that way on purpose so that you can use different types of inks and things like that. So this is going on sale. I also have a mini one of these, which actually happened on accident, and you'll see that in a couple minutes. Like I said, this one is available for the $5. So these are also going to be available on Friday. You can get this mix sheet, or you can get one sheet of any one of these headers. The next one is the weather. This is available as this kind of basics collection. It's available as a brights, as a pastel, and as a new jewel tone color palette. So for example, this is the brights, and this is available in the fill, so the inside is filled, or we have this brights and it's available as a line drawing as well. And like I also said, available as pastel and as this basics and as the jewel tone. And then this, oh, so excited. Okay, so this is the Planet in Space kit. I called it Nebula Nerds because it brings in a little bit of that like nerdy Bill Nye type feel into it as well. So you have your main headers page. You have the weekly page, which comes with 5 Monday through Sunday headers. We have the decoration art page, the deco. So this is very space theme. I left some of these black and white for you to fill in whatever colors you want. We have the banners and the small washi sheet. So this is 4 large banners, and then new to this sheet are these 4 smaller washi strips. And then we also have the patron exclusive sheet. So this will not be available in my shop. This is only for patrons. And so we have some extra deco pieces, some extra washi type headers, and then some scripts like priority to do and notes available for them. So like I said, all of this is going to be available for a giveaway, and that link will be in the description below. So on to some more items that are getting released on Friday. Sorry, the dog hair on my notebook is driving me nuts. So basically, as add-ons to this Nebula Nerds kit, I also have these large washi strips that are available for an add-on. These are $3.50 each. And then I have a bunch of different types of trackers, so I will actually put some of them on the screen, because we have this one with the planets inside, and then we have a bunch of like different types of nebula colors associated with it and different types of trackers. So this one's the habit tracker. You also have the AM/PM tracker, the PM+Sleep, you have the mood tracker, all that kind of stuff. So those are running across the screen now for you. So like I mentioned, while I was putting together that movie stencil, I had a bit of an issue. I created these these way too small stencils because I wanted it to be able to fit like as a title and for you to write different types of movies inside the boxes. But this one is a little bit small to do that. So these are actually going to be on sale. There's only, I think, like 12 of them available, 10 of them. I'll have to double check, but there's only a finite amount available, and I'm only going to release this as kind of like an oopsie, but I think that this could work really well for decorative pieces and things like that, or people that write really, really small. That's not me, so for people that write really small, this stencil might work for you. And it's a bit discounted because it was kind of an oopsie. So the next ones are either foiled or non-foiled, and they come in a lot of different varieties. So I'm gonna go over the Monday through Sunday ones. So we have this stretch lettering. It's available as black, gold, silver, rose gold, and hollow foil. So we have this stretch lettering, we have this thick lettering, and then we have the capitals sheet. So all of these can be foiled or they can be sold black and white, and we have 3 different fonts available for those. And then I also have the same situation, but with the January through December. So this is an example of that thick lettering, and this is in silver. It's also available in the capitals or as the stretch lettering. So those are 2 different listings. And I already mentioned about these 2. So this one is available as this mix sheet, or you can get any one of these as a full mini sheet. And then we have the weather icons, fill or line drawings, and we have them in the various color palettes. The next one I have are these banners. So I have a few different kinds available. So I have this seasonal one, which is a very simple seasonal. We have winter, we have spring, we have summer, and we have autumn, fall. So these are very simple banners for, you know, if you're gardening in the summer or spring and you want to make a gardening thing. I don't know. They're just fun. Or if you want to do a seasonal bucket list or something like that, a fall bucket list, these would be great for that. So these are going to be available on Friday. We also have these watercolor palette ones. So this is the bright set. It's also available in the pastel. And then we also have the new jewel tone color palettes. We also have them available in this like basic shapes one. So this is the jewel color palette, again available in the bright color palette and the pastel color palette. And then we also have a Chevron one, but I don't have any on me, so I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. But there is a Chevron version as well of these banners. So these are very functional pieces that you can add to a lot of different types of kits. So the next 2 are vinyls. I only have one of them here with me, so I will put an image up on the screen for the second one. But there is this sunflower vinyls. This comes in a ton of different colors. This is the blue hollow one, and it is the sunflower vinyl. This is in the medium size. There's also a size smaller, which is 3 inches by 3 inches. And this is the medium, 5 inches by 5 inches. And then we also have the compass listing. So the background color can be chosen, and then the compass itself is black. So it's actually a layered piece. So lots of fun there. Again, that is available as a 3x3 or as a 5x5, and they're priced accordingly. So those are all the things that are going to be listed. Oh, and I also forgot to mention these weather icons. They're also going to be available as individual sheets. If you want an entire sheet of just sunny days, then you can have an entire sheet of sunny days, the partly cloudy or the cloudy days. You get the drift. You can do these each individually as well. So those are all my listings that are going to be released on Friday. We're also going to have some Oopsy bags. I mentioned this in one of my previous videos where I have some things that are in a drawer that are, I mean, this is literally part of the drawer right here. So there are things that were cut imperfectly. For example, this is cut a little bit too low, so you can see some of the tops of the letters are cut off. Some of the tops of the compasses are cut off, for example. Here's another one where the end of the washi strip gets cut off. So those are just some examples of some miscuts. This was actually the one that I talked about in the listing where it's all foil, but there's some foil missing from the top of the actual sticker, but the rest of the stickers are perfectly fine. So I'm going to be releasing a bunch of like little grab bags. So one of them will be a guaranteed foil miscut, or misfoiling, I guess could be another term. And then the rest of the pages will be either more foil or some miscuts like this washi strip, for example. So those are going to be available. I haven't gone through the entire drawer yet to see where the issues are. Some of the things also have some color issues, so those could be some as well. So I will go through the drawer before all of this is released, and you can pick up some Oopsy Grab Bags. It's going to be 10 for like $5. It's going to be super cheap. I just need to get rid of a bunch of these items from my drawer because it's full and I can't close it anymore. So, and everyone that I saw in the comments were also interested in purchasing those for a discounted rate. So I'm going to go ahead and list those as well. So that's going to be an addition. For anyone that wants to participate in the giveaway, again, the link will be down below. I hope you all are excited for these releases. They are Friday, August 7th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So set your alarms for that. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.